Struggling to make your Sora 2 creations hit that perfect playtime? This is your ultimate guide to extending video length using simple yet effective techniques. First up, the magic of looping. Identify repetitive elements within your Sora 2 video that can seamlessly transition back to themselves. Think about a character taking a breath, a subtle movement in the background, or a recurring visual motif. Carefully examine the end frame of a section and the start frame of its repetition to ensure a smooth, almost undetectable join. You can manually extend these segments in your editing software, effectively creating a continuous loop that adds significant duration without new content. Next, let's talk about scene repetition, but with a twist instead of a straight loop. Subtly alter the repeated scene. This could involve a slight change in camera angle, a shift in lighting, or adding a small, new detail. For example, if your character walks across a room, you might repeat the walk, but have them pause and examine something new on the return journey. This repetition, infused with minor variations, adds length and depth without feeling like you're just watching the same thing over and over. Finally, the art of transitional elements. These are your secret weapons for bridging gaps and extending playtime. Consider introducing short, visually interesting transitions in between your existing Sora 2 clips. This could be a stylized wipe, a dynamic zoom, a period of graphic overlay, or even a carefully timed fade to black and back. These transitions not only add precious seconds, but also serve to break up the action and give your viewers a moment to absorb what they've seen. Experiment with different pacing for these transitions. A slow, deliberate fade can add more time than a quick, energetic wipe. By mastering looping, smart scene repetition, and strategic transitional elements, you can take your Sora 2 videos from fleeting moments to captivating narratives that perfectly fit your production needs. So go ahead, expand your vision, and make your Sora 2 creations endure.